What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Bobby G, and we got a special unboxing experience for you today. You know what time it is. It's iPhone 16 Pro Max time. Oh yeah. Sorry, I'm just being really over the top. You know, like I always am, folks. Well, anyways, welcome to this special unboxing experience for the iPhone 16 Pro Max. I'm going to give you guys the 100% truth, okay? I had originally already filmed this video with the unboxing experience for this phone, but due to technology, because we know technology has issues, I completely lost all of that footage. But because I wanted to be honest and give you guys still that unboxing experience so you can know what to expect this year with the new iPhone 16 Pro Max, I wanted to get this unboxed for you and show you at least what this color looks like on this new phone, okay? So without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox this new iPhone 16 Pro Max. This is going to be in that new Desert Titanium. Again, full disclosure, I've already done the pull tabs on the back. I'm gonna bring that in for you so you guys can see that box right there. iPhone on the side in that new Desert Titanium color. See how it glistens in the light. And there you go. There's the phone in all of its greatness right here. This is that new Desert Titanium color on this iPhone 16 Pro Max. You getting the white glove treatment today. Let me see. I hope this camera, and by the way, I am filming this today using my Pixel 9 Pro XL. So let's see how these colors and stuff come out. This is basically factory settings on this camera. So again, it's that Desert Titanium color. Bring it up, see if that camera can really do it justice and capture it really well. Here's the side rails on it. Let's just take a look around, okay? By the way, again, this is gonna have a screen protector already installed because I filmed a separate video installing that screen protector. So starting off with the phone, let's look at it, okay? You've got the cameras right here, Desert Titanium colors. Let's look on the side. We've got the action button right there, volume up, volume down button. And this is going to be a different type of finish along the sides of this, okay? So along the rail, on the side, it's not brushed titanium this year, okay? I believe it's called blasted. I'm gonna look it up and I'll kind of link some words in the video kind of relating to you what it's actually called, but the finish is different from last year. It's not brushed titanium. It is going to be a different type of finish. But continuing our tour around, you've got that new camera button. This is actually very nice on there. Color matches the outline with the Desert Titanium. Power button. Just look at the top, looking very good on there. And then of course the front of the phone. So we do have a slightly larger phone this year. So let's put it to the side, okay folks? So that was the phone. What do you get in the box? What can you expect? You already know. We're gonna get a very nice braided USB-C cable in there. My only gripe is Apple, for all the money that we're paying for these phones, I really wish y'all would have gave us a color matched USB-C cable to go with these phones. So Desert Titanium iPhone, Desert Titanium USB-C. That's all. I don't think that's asking too much. But you do get a USB-C cable included in the box. Along with that, you also get the, before using iPhone, it tells you to review the user guide on the website. Tell us about the 1-year limited warranty. So the paperwork for the iPhone this year is a lot smaller, a lot more, you could say environmentally friendly, aka a way of saying they include less in the package. You still paying the same amount. Of course, talking about that this phone uses eSIM to set it up, so it's very, very easy. And you noticed, I know you already noticed that right there. What's missing? What's missing? USB-C phone, no stickers. This year and going forward, Apple's no longer going to be including that really nice Apple sticker that me and you like with your phone. I know, Apple giveth and they take it. So that's going to be it, folks. That's what you get with the new iPhone 16 Pro Max. Again, this is not the original unboxing, but I still wanted to do it justice and show you guys what you get with this phone. You are still going to get the phone itself, USB-C cable, no Apple sticker. Let me know in the comment section what you guys think about this new color. Did it really do it justice in the video? Like, did y'all see it? Did you like it? Do you think you'll give it a chance this year or pick it up? Let me know in the comment section below. As always, it's your boy Bobby G. I hope you've liked this little 5-minute unboxing experience, version 2. Version 2.0. Let me know if you like it. Let's chat it up in the comments section, and I'm out.